for goat with a beard so neat. He hops on the hill and stamps his feet. He munches green grass in the sunny breeze and plays peekaboo behind the trees. G is for giraffe, so tall and kind, with spots all over and a curious mind. She nibbles the leaves at the top of the tree and waves her long neck to you and me. G is for goose, who loves to say honk. She waddles around by the little blue pond with snowy white feathers and feet so wide. She splashes and swims with a happy glide. G is for grapes in a purple bunch. They're juicy and sweet for a yummy lunch. On vines they grow in the warm sunshine, a tasty snack that's simply divine. G is for guitar with a happy tune. It strums in the morning and hums at noon. Strings go twang in a cheerful song. Come clap and dance and sing along. G is for goodnight when the day is through. The stars come out in the midnight blue. We dream of the G things we've met today till the morning sun says come and play.